Sia Onyango kuom kelonwa sigana maberno kamano wadhi nyime kama duol mar EPRA oyango chenro mar jiwo arita matiyo kod teko mar sitima kod modhi e pacho ka maidendo ni ka Safe Mtaani kampen. Kane loso boma Nairobi, jagoro ma ongirore migawo mar teko Alex Wachira owacho ni tire dwaro mar neno ni jopiny opuonji ng'eyo tiyo kod teko mar jiwo arita margi kendo geng'o masiche. Jatend migawo mar teko Pio Wandai bende omedo ni kata obedo ni gin kod dwaro mar neno ni itiyo kod teko maler kata clean energy, gimedo ni dwaro makama chakore kod arita mar ji giwegi sama gitiyo kod sitima kata gas.
Then we also have another challenge. The areas that we store the gas cylinders, because ideally the cylinder should be stored outside. But the houses that we live in, the reality on the ground is that we cannot store our cylinders outside. So we are forced to store the cylinder inside, endangering the lives of those who are living there. From this campaign, our expectation is that more people will join the family of those who are buying and using gas in a safe manner.
So this progress is not only a marker of development, but also a gateway to economic empowerment. However, as we increase electricity access, as I've said, particularly in rural and marginalized communities, we must strengthen safety education. We must enhance safety education to prevent accidents and incidents and build confidence in electricity usage.
If you look at the kind of safety regulations and practices that are done by our multinationals and nationals in the depots, in the petrol stations when they are delivering fuel, they not only record the last incident, but they record the near-miss incidences. Not only accidents and incidences, but near-miss. But that culture, we have not really transferred it